Yeah, I don't know how we're getting out of here, bro. Oh shit, big guy.
Need a flare?
Yes, please. Help! I'm stuck.
I missed.
Me too. Oh, babies. Ow, I did not see you for a second.
My guy, you need to back up and go more towards the flare. Hard to
Yeah,
see.
be careful.
I'm out of arrows.
I have a couple more.
Yeah.
There we go. The race. There's some in the air over here, bro.
Yeah, they're kind of glitched out. There's one on the wall over here. Okay, ready?
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
go. I'm gonna need to eat in a minute.
Okay.
There's babies on the right.
Yeah. A little bit of stuff over here.
Did nothing. I like when the caves come to a dead end because that feels like we completed it.
Yeah. Did we go to the right yet? Oh, this right straight as well. Wait,
No, we went
wait,
that
what?
way. This way.
Okay.
Can't hit the babies.
Get some water.
Cave is so big, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Hope we're making progress.
I hope so. Oh, it scared me. I thought the rock was a beast. Or a monster, whatever. I
Mighty
say that
beast.
fucker's huge. There's something going on over here.
Yeah, I hear noise.
The f. Well, this is
Oh,
story.
look at these guys.
Yeah.
Interesting.
This is new.
Yeah. Think we'll die if we go up there?
Probably.
Wonder if that's
know.
what we need ancient armor for. Or whatever it's called.
Maybe. I can try. Oh,
There's
no,
a-
we're good.
Pathway up.
There's also a door right here.
Yeah, we definitely didn't come here last time.
No, we did not. Oh, I got a artifact.
He is vibrating violently.
Yeah, he is. Cool. Oh, he has the ancient armor.
Ancient armor. Oh. Where's that? Right here.
Where? Oh, there it is.
Is this an outfit?
No, it's armor. Can it break? So powerful. You look cool.
You do too. Is it called ancient armor?
Oh, you dropped your creeper armor because you can't fit
You
anymore
did
in your
too.
inventory.
Also gold.
That's cool. I wonder if it breaks then.
We'll find out, I guess, when we get hit.
We can't take it off either. Well, we might be able to put creeper on. Yeah, we can take it off.
How?
If we put something else on.
Ancient armor. But maybe save that for like a boss fight. I mean, that's what I'm gonna do. You can wear it if you please.
Yeah, because I want it to break. I might look at the plate if it breaks or not. Interesting.
So weird.
There's a rope right here.
Okay.
The lore. Alright, I go. We only have one artifact left in this place.
Yep, should be.
Okay.
I am crawling
Ow.
through your colon. Your booty smells bad, bro. What you been eating?
Fish. Rotten fish. And some arms of candles.
I'm a gynecologist. Pretty sure that's what they do, right?
Why you out here then?
You know.
Sorry.
Like to spice it up a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. It's not other people's booties. The cannibals.
Yeah, they're interesting. Tell you what.
Fast.
I have more stamina than you. There's a way over here. Okay, just run past me, I guess.
Bye. Excuse me. Oh, big guy.
Ah! My god. Okay. You want to throw a flare for once?
Throw a Molotov.
Sure. Also, just focus them into the water. I like guys just follow. Oh, you got scared. A little cheaty, but it's okay.
I think he's gonna come in the water.
Fine. Did he die?
I bet. Nice headshot.
Wow.
Oh, no, it did.
Okay. Molotovs work well on him.
Apparently.
I'll throw a Molotov. You want to keep out a light or something? Great.
Ow.
Hit. Did I really miss him with that? Okay, good evening. You dead?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nope.
Okay. No?
Almost. There we go. Now he's dead.
Shall we get this guy over here?
Yeah, I'm just grabbing shit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Do we need it anymore? I don't think we can carry any more creep armor actually.
Well, because we're wearing it, we can.
Oh, okay.
A long rope. Gee.
I was just about to say, I'm like, Jesus, because oh, like the way out.
Maybe. We still have one artifact piece. Friendship piece,
Have to
whatever
go
we
back
need to
in.
find. This is a big cave. Jesus Christ.
Okay, we can't. There we go. We're going down. Oh, I can't. That was rude. You pushed me.
God. Oh. Okay.
What? Oh, okay.
Gliding
Did
again.
this again.
Interesting.
Can we just go back down? Up.
Yeah. Where is this at?
No idea. No monsters. I wonder if we've already been here. Never mind, a monster. Right in the butt.
I'll light a flare. There's a guy behind. Oh, I didn't hotkey my flares right. Did I run out of flares? Might have.
I'll get a flare. Maybe. I'll put one down here. Shit.
Yeah. Fire, I think, is really useful.
He did. That did.
Okay, let me see if... Did I run out of flares? Where are flares at?
The... I don't know. They should be in your backpack.
I think I ran out of flares.
There should be at the top.
I ran out.
Or your...
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Go. So you're on flare duty now. My turn to shoot.
There's a flare down there, so... Not what the guy went.
Oh, there he is.
Coward!
Oh, he brought his friend. He's like, oh, who's a coward now? You want to light a Molotov, maybe? I think fire works really good against these guys.
Love to, but I'm in a corner.
Oh. Missed. Out of arrows. Give me a few of these arrows if you want. Right?
There we go. You just keep clicking ferociously over there.
Yeah, I know. Just like, I gotta get my arrows. Okay. Oh, more. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Bet they didn't expect us to use the game mechanic like this.
3, 2,
3, 2, 1, go.
Dark as
Okay.
There's some. Oh, there's 2 over here. I'm working on. Watch out.
Throw a flare. He's just staying in one spot for you to chuck another Molotov at him.
I can only push so many buttons.
I guess I'll shoot him a little bit. Did I do it?
I ran out of Molotovs.
Okay, he's almost dead. Dead. These are my arrows. Hmm.
He's still alive. There we go. I'm just collecting from like.
Yeah, be like,
he's
just wait a
idiot.
minute. Oh my lord.
Alright, over here.
I can't get up. Jesus. Nope. How did you get up?
Oh my god. Ready?
No, I'm not. 3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
1, go. Watch us get stuck in these stalactites because we glitched through it.
Suck.
Huh.
Did though.
Okay.
Alright, this guy's down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, I have so much armor.
Mm-hmm.
We'll fill a rack when we get home.
So, it'll be good. This cave, I don't think. Oh my god. Oh, I lit you on fire, I think.
Yeah, we're.
Wow. They don't do well with fire.
Let's do that. I think I shot you.
I think you did, because I see the arrow. They don't do well with fire.
No, they do not. They are demons.
You think they do well with fire?
Not necessarily. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. Yours is so quick. 3, 2, 1.
You slow.
A little bit.
Alright, look.
Creepy armor. Oh, you almost got all of them.
That was
Redemption.
every time.
Woo!
Yeah. God, this is a big cave. Oh, we just do D real quick.
I didn't think it was big like this. Because remember last time we did it, it wasn't
Oh, I
this
think it's up
big.
here. Yeah, it's up here.
Yeah, we never did the second half, apparently.
Get out of here.
So this is the way we came originally. Jeff.
Yeah, there's a thing up here. Missed a whole area, bro.
Apparently.
Nice.
I think we're slowly making our way out.
Hopefully. Oh, there's water.
Come on, Glitchy.
You calling me glitchy?
Yes, you're swimming all sorts of weird.
I'm f***ing trying. Oh, the exit. Bye.
You don't want to wait for me to eat my canned food?
I want air.
You want air? There's air.
Right here.
Fresh air.
Another entrance. Or we're just missing.
There's,
Yeah, it's
I think
another
there's
entrance.
3 entrances.
Oh, yeah, it's about to be winter. It's fall right now. It's snowing. That's great.
And we got both ancient or artifact pieces, whatever, and then we got the ancient.
Yeah. But now it means I can take off armor anytime I want. I'm gonna cook some water.
Oh, cool. That went well.
I'm on fire.
You're still on fire.
I'm on fire.
You're still on fire. Oh my god, Haley. Jesus Christ. 3rd time's a charm.
For real.
Well, I mean, we're closer to getting out of the... around the mountain.
I just come up here and now it's winter.
Oh, wait. Yeah, we are.
Turned winter in just a second, Jesus. Yeah, look, it's ice now. Oh,
That's... wow. Perfect timing. Well, it's definitely winter now.
yeah, it is. Go.
What's the... orange?
I have no idea.
I think it's in their bunker. Maybe we can get on the way back.
Yeah, we'll have to come back this way anyways.
Let's do our best not to die. Get stuck.
Supposed to be not fun. It's mountains, oh my lord.
I mean, we can go to that bunker. It's close.
We might as well. It's right here. Ow.
I have a sled. What the Oh my god. Wow.
Bye.
I don't know where I was going, but... wow, okay. Can I not control where I go?
Apparently not.
Apparently I just slide down higher. Hey!
You there?
Yeah, it didn't help me at all. I think this is another maintenance bunker. Kinda looks like a wrench.
Maybe. I don't know.
Hopefully we can get into it.
We have a VIP card, so you'd think so.
I don't think that would go for everything, though. Another excavator.
Got GPS locator. I think that's all it is. Got this body over here. Not seeing anything else.
Oh, I guess that's what the orange thing was. Well,
That's good.
okay, oh wait, there's another
There's a
excavator.
question mark.
Look, look, look.
Look on the map, there's a question mark.
Oh, wait, let's check this out first.
Yeah.
Look, there's a fence over here. A fenced off area. Big hole.
Cool. What's up here? Much more random
Nothing really interesting?
It keeps going.
Doesn't.
Does not. It's probably just
Oh, it
mining thing
does.
then. Oh,
It's over here. Wow, it
it's way out.
burns it right.
Yeah.
Oh, it just made a circle. Oh, okay, I got so lost.
I wanna go to that question mark.
Question mark disappeared.
It would be closer to it.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Well, I think they're different. There's the cannibals, and then there's the mutants and the demons.
I thought they're all cannibal.
The ones in the caves and stuff, they're mutants. I believe so, anyway, I could be wrong.
I mean, that kind of makes sense, because the cannibals, they wear more like clothes and more like
Yeah.
people. For these guys, they're kind of like people, but like, yeah, that makes sense.
So the island is where it happened. I guess maybe there's an experiment that went wrong.
Maybe.
Mutants. That's why I went to Virginia.
Right. Yo, land, mother. We're right here.
Ooh, this- Well, he sees us.
Oh, hey.
What's up? Oh, it's a house.
I think we were here once. Jeff.
It's
Just kind
Kill
of
Putin,
hovering.
Putin,
Oh no, I
or-
think it's gone.
It's Kill Putin, so I guess they didn't like him.
Gil Putton? Where does it say that?
One of the things in there.
Oh, I didn't even see this. Maybe that's a bad
Ooh,
guy.
night vision goggles. Yeah, we've been here before.
Oh, there's a moose! Kill the moose.
I'm good. Have fun.
Killed it.
Really? Good.
Yeah, you want to come over here and harvest it
Yeah,
with
come
me? There's also a bad guy camp over here.
It's on the map too, I think.
Hey, bad guys. Mister.
Sweet.
That was all of them.
Hey, ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I did shoot the moose with a shotgun, so I think that's
Hard.
I
How many we get? Oh, we got 3.
didn't get any. Can't carry any more animal hides. So I guess this counts towards animal hide. How many total do you have?
I put a couple down. I have 5 on me.
Okay, that's the max that you.
Well, I put some down, remember? Put like 3 down. I want the head.
Of the moose?
Yeah, oh, I got it. Cool. Oh, what's more, guys?
Oh, there's a big guy. Oh, let me get hit by him. Hey, wait. Yeah, you can hit the other guys.
That guy just mashed this guy.
Okay, I need to get kicked 5 times, apparently. Okay, kick me. Don't hit me. Kick me.
We're gonna be here all day.
We might. It does take a lot of my armor.
I think we have extra.
Time. Is this not the right guy? Do it one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time, buddy.
He's like masochist.
Okay, I don't know.
Would you like help now?
Thanks, though. Let him take all my armor. Oh, it's just another GPS.
Yep. Alright, ready to go.
Wonder what's the purpose of it?
It's a mark thing. You can put them down.
Oh, you can put them
If
down
you
in
want to save
places?
things.
Oh, there's
For
also a cave here.
That was it?
I don't think it's like a real... Like another mine.
Some meds down here.
And ammo. I feel like you always miss that.
I grabbed it.
Oh, okay.
I just don't pay attention. Oh, the blueprint. What the f is this? What does it do? It looks cool. What does it do? Oh.
It's like a ceremony pit.
Oh, what is those?
Okay. We can build it one day.
I wish I knew the name of it. If it won't tell me the name.
Well, look in your book. That's what you see.
That's what I'm looking at. It doesn't tell me the name.
Oh, really?
It just says notes. And build it, see what happens.
Not right now.
Not right now.
Yeah, that's weird.
Alright, I go.
We got a long ways to go.
Yeah, we do.
I wish we had a golf cart.
Nah, this walking's fun, bro.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Totally. Lots of fun. Golf cart would definitely not be helpful or useful or desired at all right now.
We probably get there too fast and when we enjoy the walk.
Uh-huh. Yeah, not wasting an
We need
hour of our life
exercise.
walking.
We need to exercise. And
I don't
look
think
at
we
the
do.
stuff we found.
I got a strength of 15. I'm great. I mean, at least we don't have to go over the mountain like...
Yeah.
Around
See
it.
on the way back.
Oh
Once
boy.
we start digging in the mountain.
We'll just go spelunking for a while. Get all the caves on this side of the map first. Oh, great.
Ooh.
You can dig
we
here.
I think. Yeah. I can get my shovel. Look at the other one. Ooh, badger. There's a an achievement.
Yeah, good job. Nothing
achievement
good
is
in
it?
here.
Oh, same thing. Boring.
Braid robbed them for nothing.
Yep.
Camp over here.
Stats.
Someone's not happy
An
at
old campsite.
What?
The old campsite.
Oh, you're behind me. Yeah. Hold down, old.
Yeah, but it looks like an old one because no one's there.
Maybe.
No fire, no that.
True, true. Wow, look at that view. Oh my
That's pretty.
goodness. This is gorgeous. Wow. Don't fall though.
Almost came on with a view.
It's only yeah, it's only gorgeous if you survive. Shoot. You think we'll survive if we jump?
I'm over there yet, bro. Cute little bridge.
Think we'll survive?
Can I go across that bridge? I can't. Got a helmet or some ammo.
Oh yeah?
And no, I do not think we would survive.
Should I jump?
No.
Really want to though.
No. It's
Oh,
all
like
good.
jump right at the base of the waterfall.
Oh, there's water. We might as well jump in that.
Good jump.
Yeah, go for it.
No, you do not survive. Don't get me. It's because I hit a rock right underneath the water. If I just jumped a little bit further, I probably...
I'll die too. Oh my god.
Did you die?
No. I might go. Please. I made it.
I am about to die though.
I'm coming. Gotcha.
Ew. Oh, I didn't lose all my armor. You're telling me I tried to stay as close to the waterfall as possible. This wasn't. This was liquid. Saves are
Take
made.
some medicine from that.
I could have jumped so much further. I took it safe.
I did too.
I like tried to completely avoid that.
I went around the mountain a little bit and then jumped in the water.
I couldn't tell if the water was flowing or not. It was. Are these new berries?
Yeah, a little bit. And there's berries, I don't think there's much of them. Should be right here. It's just a GPS.
Is it?
Oh, it's a cave. Coming.
Trying to. It didn't break for me.
A couple things in here.
Wow. Oh my god. There's a lot of dead in here. Holy
Yeah, there's
Moses.
How do you open these skin pouches? I have so many.
You can open them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And that's why I said I need to open them.
Anything? Nothing. Oh, there's a rope here.
I got plenty of bro.
No, but a rope to go up.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry. Didn't clarify. Hey, look.
Cool.
Very curious where this is. Get this-
Laggy. Yeah, I'm coming. Might be good to go to sleep while we're in here. Oh, and we're out. How's it? I'll set up camp. Night time.
If
I hear some things.
I think we're gonna get. Try.
Okay.
Oh, hey, we did.
Hey! Freaking
I'm gonna start heading back toward our thing. I think once we get there, maybe we'll call it a night.
okay.
Maybe.
Yes.
I feel like we're gonna need to climb a cliff.
Great! There's black snow.
Black snow.
Oh, it's because of you.
Black snow?
Yeah, you're burning the snow. Or whatever. The fire. Reference. God, there's another question mark up there.
Oh my lord. Well, I think we'll have to go by it anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a path that
Seeing
goes
that we
through
can't.
it. There's a path should be right here.
Oh, hey, look at that. There's this cliff here. Got the cliff.
Looks like we're going around.
My lord, this would have been so much quicker with golf cart.
So
Man.
sorry. But we had an adventure.
We did. It was a good adventure.
That's still not done.
No, it's taken us 2 hours now. Long adventure. Wish I could see. Oh, it's a red flare. Red flare dude who's about to die. Hey, buddy. About to die?
Where'd the flare dude?
Yeah, he's holding a flare. He died.
Apparently there's something here.
Oh, he's right here. Bush.
Right.
Check out this cave.
Yeah, there's a rope down.
I'm just riding on your head down. Great.
You want the light out so I can actually see what I'm doing?
Lots of canned food. I might eat some of this real. Okay with that.